Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu reported that the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Do you know who is the bankrupt?" They said, "The bankrupt among us is one who has neither money with him nor any property." He said, "The real bankrupt of my ummah would be he who would come on the day of resurrection with salah, sawm and sadaqah, that's charity, but he will find himself bankrupt on that day as he will have exhausted the good deeds because he reviled others, brought calumny against others, unlawfully devoured the wealth of others, shed the blood of others and beat others, so his good deeds would be credited to the account of those. If his good deeds fall short to clear the account, their sins would be entered in his account and he would be thrown in the hellfire." Narrated by Muslim.